Kia ora, I'm Sharon Holt and I'm here to help you with your pronunciation of Te Reo Māori. If we can gain in the confidence with the pronunciation of the reo, we'll actually gain confidence in being able to use more words, because it's our own feeling about how we're pronouncing things that's holding us back. And I'm here to tell you that it's actually not a difficult thing to pronounce Te Reo Māori correctly. The reason being that it's a phonetic language and the letters are almost all consistently pronounced. The most important thing is starting with the vowels, and if you get the vowels right, you're really very much more than halfway there. So here are the vowels here: a, e, I, o, u. And the only time they change from being short like that, a, e, I, o, u, is if you put a macron at the top. So if you see a macron over the a, it changes from a to a. E changes to e. I changes to I. O to o. And u to u. And that is the only change that would happen with the pronunciation of the Māori vowels. You might hear them in some children's songs, a, e, I, o, u at the end of the colour song, or you might hear it in the middle of another song where we go a, e, I, o, u, a, e, I, o, u. And many people have heard of those, particularly teachers and parents, but they don't necessarily put that into practice when they're looking at Māori words and feeling confident about how to pronounce them. Today, I'm here to tell you that you can be very confident if you know a, e, I, o, u. So if we want to put a consonant in front of them, we keep this a exactly the same, this a, so this is ha, as in haka. Ka, ma, na, pa, ra. It's a little bit of a roll, not very much of a roll, but it's not ra. Ra. Ta, wa, nga, fa. Or in the case of the word for four, the number 4, fa. So that's the beginning with the letter A pronounced a, and we'll be doing the other vowels with the consonants soon. Thank you very much for tuning in. Looking forward to helping you a lot with your pronunciation. Ka kite.